State health officials say more people should qualify for medical marijuana and more doctors should be able to prescribe it.
Nightside's Avery Harper has the story.
The New York State Department of Health is recommending an expansion of the medical marijuana program called the Compassionate Care Act.
That it is a medical grade, you know your source, it's clean, it's been tested, and it's not to get high. It's to actually feel better pain-wise.
Dr. David Gentile of Oasis Integrative Medicine in Rocky Point treats many of his patients with medical marijuana. He thinks the expansion of the program is good for patients, but wants to see more training for those who recommend it.
I think physicians should have more training. We didn't learn this stuff in medical school. So how can they properly prescribe this stuff?
New York's medical marijuana program has been more restrictive than other states. The report says, quote, as neighboring states continue to implement recreational marijuana programs, it is critical for New York's medical marijuana program to expand access to reach more patients suffering from severe, debilitating, or life-threatening conditions. The Department of Health included a list of recommendations in the report. Officials want to allow anyone who can prescribe a controlled substance to be allowed to recommend medical marijuana. Officials want to explore the possibility of patients getting medical coverage to pay for cannabis treatments and to support research of medical marijuana products.
Anything that opens up the research on this and gives us more science and data, I think is a step in the right direction.
Jeff Reynolds, CEO of Thrive Recovery Center, is a part of the governor's working group drafting recreational marijuana legislation. Reynolds says the expansion of the medical marijuana program could also be helpful in tackling the opioid epidemic.
When it comes down to marijuana versus opioids, marijuana is a lot less dangerous than opioids might be for some people.
Avery Harper, News 12, Long Island.